Hey dear all, welcome back. Once again I am here with the new grammar topic. Today you all will enjoy absolute, actual, appropriate, best, beautiful, fresh, different, excellent, formal, logical, natural, perfect, great beginning for today's topic. Yes, just now I have used several descriptive words to make my beginning effective. So these words are known as adjective. Now let's see the definition of adjective. Let's see here. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. Okay, have you got that? You know very well that there are 8 parts of speech, and noun and pronoun you know very well. Noun, what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. And what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun or which replaces the noun. So, before noun or pronoun we use adjectives. Okay. Now, there are several types of adjective. Now, we will see that. Let's look into types of adjectives. Adjectives are divided into different types. Today, we will learn about mainly 6 kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives, and last one is possessive adjectives. Adjective of quality, these are the words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun. Note the word quality. Let's have example. I have a nice teddy. Here, what is the quality of teddy? That it is nice. So, it is generally answer the question what kind. Now, can you think of more such qualities of this teddy? Someone may say that it is brown, or someone may say it is awesome or very cute. So, brown, awesome and cute are the qualities of teddy. Adjective of quality is also referred to as adjective descriptive adjectives. Now, let's see the next type, adjective of quantity. These are the words describe the quantity of noun or pronoun. Please note the word quantity. For example, I have enough money. Here, enough describes the quantity of money I have. Question that they answer are how much in any sentence. Some more examples are I have some money, I have little money, I have more money. So, in this way we can describe the adjective of quantity. Now, let's see the next type, that is adjective of number. They are the words that describe exact number of noun. Please note the word exact. For example, Shivani has a 4 apples. Here 4 is the exact number of apples Shivani has. They answer the questions how many. If she has 1 apple, you have to say an apple, or 8 apples, 10 apples. In this way we can describe it. Now we will see the next adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. What are the demonstrative adjectives? These are the words that point out a person, thing or animal. For example, this book is mine. Now, other words that can be used for demonstrative adjectives are that, those, these, etc. Now, these, that, those, that can be also used for pronoun also. So, let's see example of demonstrative pronoun. This is my book. Now, you can note that in the first example, this is used in front of book. Book is noun here, and so it is demonstrative adjective. And in the next example, you can see this is used in front of is a verb in this sentence, so this is demonstrative pronoun. Into the next type, that is interrogative adjective. WH words are used with noun to ask questions. Now what are WH words? We can have some example: who, whose, whom, which, what. These are WH words. Example is, which book is yours? Here which word is used to ask a question and it is placed in front of the word book. Now which, this or these WH words can be asked for pronoun also. Now let's have example. Which is your book? Here in this sentence, which is placed before the verb, that is, and in the first sentence you can see the difference, that which is placed in front of noun, the word, that is book. Okay, so in this way you can have the difference. Now let's see the next type, that is possessive adjectives. Words that are used to show ownership. Please note the word ownership. Joy left his bat at home. Okay, here his word is used to show that it is his bat. Here his is possessive adjectives. Other words for possessive adjectives are my, our, her and their. Now possessive pronoun also sounds like possessive adjectives, but they are not same. They both are used in different contexts. Let's have example. The bat next to the window is his. Here his is not adjective. It is used in the place of noun, so it is pronoun. Now we will see how we have to put these adjectives in proper order. Okay, whenever you are placing any adjective in front of noun or pronoun, so we should follow some particular order. Okay, now we'll see that. See, first of all, you have to put the word for opinion, then size, then according to the age, then shape, then color, origin, material, and at last purpose. Okay, now we'll see with the example. Okay, if we are talking about bag, so if we are going to add some adjectives in front of this word bag, so first of all we'll put the word of opinion. Suppose ugly, so you can say the bag is ugly, beautiful, or you can form your opinion for that. Then size, is it small, big, large, etc. Or related to the age, suppose it is the old bag, okay, or new one. Then shape, is it thin, thick, or big? So in this way you can use shape of it. Okay, then color, is it of red color, blue, pink, whatever it is. Then origin, is it the Indian bag or Italian bag, etc. Or material, is it of cotton or leather, etc. Or the purpose, for which purpose you are going to use the bag, that is sleeping bag. Okay, so now see how many adjectives I have added here for bag. Ugly, small, old, thin, red, Indian, cotton, sleeping bag. Okay, so in this way we can use several adjectives in front of noun, but you should follow some particular order. OSASCOMP, OSASCOMP. You can remember it like this. Okay. Now students, we will see how we can form adjectives with the help of noun or pronoun. Okay. Here we have formation of adjectives. Now see, we can form adjectives with nouns also. How? See, honor. Honor, it is noun, and we can form it, we can change it into an adjective by adding able, that is able. Now it will become honorable. Then beauty, beautiful. By adding ful, we can make it adjective. Fruit is noun. Now we can convert it into an adjective by adding ful, fruitful. Okay. In the same manner, we can form adjectives from verb. We can make adjectives. Suppose quarrel is verb, and we can change it into an adjective form, that is quarrelsome. Okay. Talk is verb, and talkative is an adjective. Okay, from other adjectives also we can form adjectives. Okay, suppose black is it is already adjective, but we can make it by adding ish, we can make it blackish. Okay, reddish. Got it? In this way we can form several adjectives. Now we will have some examples one by one. Suppose by adding able, the word is advise. If we will add it able, it will become advisable. Then memory, so it will become memorable. Okay, by adding able. Next one is by adding al. Word is noun is accident, and we can change it into an adjective, that is accidental. Suppose it is nation, so by adding al we can form the word national. Okay, then with the help of ar, okay, word is triangle, and by adding ar we can change it into an adjective form, that is triangular. Suppose table is there, so we can make it adjective as tabular. Got it? Then by adding ful, here it is harm, then we have changed it into an adjective form, that is harmful. Okay, then joy, joyful. By adding ic, word is angel and adjective is angelic. Here the next word is hero, and by adding ic we can make an adjective, that is heroic. Then ish, book, bookish. Child, childish. Then by adding less, that is less. Care, careless. Then use, useless. Got it? Now by adding ly, day, daily, friend, friendly. Then by adding ous, that is fame, famous, danger, dangerous. Then by adding y to noun, okay, anger, angry. Then hunger, hungry. Okay, so students, I hope you have understood this much. So my dear lovable, smart, enthusiastic, curious students, I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, and we will meet you in the next session. Till then, thank you and bye bye.